What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Daily Misfire. This is the first video on the new GoPro. You can see in my reflection. Yeah, it's pretty cool. But we're here for this is the Easter weekend race, and hopefully, because the fact that it's Easter, you know, wives didn't want their husbands to go racing. There won't be that many people here, so we'll get 2 passes in the early morning, and then we're gonna go run. Hopefully, and see how many rounds we can go. So this may or may not be the last race that we'll run with the old fuel tank, because there's some news coming in on that. This fuel system might be getting kicked out of this car, but we'll not talk about that much. I'm probably not going to talk a whole lot. We'll probably just be racing a lot today, but you'll get to see a lot of this on the new GoPro, and that's pretty much it. So I'll update you guys as we go through that today. Sorry, but that car right there is actually leading in points. I am currently 23rd. We're gonna let it warm up to about 1, let the fans come on, and then we'll shut off and we'll be ready. So that's the plan. But I'm gonna wear that, and I'm probably gonna give you guys to Abby, and I also have my in-car camera set up, so hopefully we can get some in-car view with this. So this should be good. All new stuff, so we'll see if we can work this through. Interesting pass. The car left good, but then it laid over really bad. We might have to put the air cleaner back on it for the second pass to try to restrict air so it doesn't lean out as much. That might be the thing to do. But we will see what the car ran. Because I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll get our time slip right now. Survey says... Thank you. Yeah, 14:19. That was way off. All right, we're gonna have to check the timing and do some other stuff, because that was kind of a weird pass. So I'll check timing. We'll do some other stuff. That's way off from what the car was running last week even. It launched fine though. I had a 1.9 60 foot. Here's kids yelling at Lemonade. So all right, we'll check the car over and see what's up. And thank God we have a second pass. So we'll see what the car will do. We got this. What's the survey say, sir?
Well, the black mark's actually the timing mark?
Yes.
Yeah, it's way down here.
Is it way on the bottom?
For some reason. When you first started it, it was way higher.
Oh, it's on the top.
It's way down there. It's the third tooth down.
Third tooth down? Okay, yeah. Well that was... Oh, it needs to be up there. That would be part of it. Driving top. Again. Yeah, because I set it up like just above the mark. Try to give it as much as we can give it. And it takes it, so... Yeah, it needs to be higher. dad does. All right. All right, so after working on the car a little bit, we are back in lanes. So you can see, we're back in lanes. Hopefully, this is a lot better pass. I put the air cleaner back on it. We've adjusted timing. I didn't mess with the EFI at all just because I think it's okay. It's kind of what we got anyway. So that's kind of the plan right now. I forgive you for we'll do that maybe for the exhausts, mufflers and stuff, but hopefully this pass is a lot better because after this is elimination. So hopefully we can actually make a pass. That's the goal. We'll get to see that right now. Was better. Snoopy got yeeted off the dash, but the car's still laid over. I had to pedal it a little bit. Yeah, we're definitely got to get the new fuel tank in here like yesterday. But the car launched a lot better. I had a 076 light again, so that was a good light. I've had two 070 lights today, so I think we're gonna try to, if we can roll with that all day, I think we'll be good. We'll be happy with that. So but we'll see what the time was. I don't know if it'll, I think it's a 13. I hope it's a 13. And what does the survey say? Thank you. 14.0 at 94. Yeah, the car's just laying over. I don't know what's the deal with it. We can try putting the rest of the fuel injection stuff in it, but at this point, or the race gas additive in it, but at this point I don't know if that would really help anything. Car's just laying over. It's like a 10th off. It's more than 2/10 off at the 330. So it's just like, it's just not wanting the, something's weird. The fuel injection is not very happy right now, so. But 14.0 at 94, that's a lot of, that's a quick ET for that mile an hour. So I don't know what else we need to do, but we'll figure it out. Well, at this point, I think I'll just leave the car because we have eliminations. So we'll probably just roll with this. I'll probably dial like a 14.10 or something, and we'll try to roll with it. We'll see what happens. Purpose, but my buddy I ended up racing against, Sweet Racing Jr., he red lit. I don't know if that was on purpose, and I hope it wasn't, but we made it past the first round, thankfully, so that's awesome, and more points, and we get to go in the next round too. So we'll see what happens. Thank you. That passed, the car ran at 1375. So whatever I did to the car fixed it. Now we gotta dial down to what the car should run. Oh, that's so funny. Cars. Cars are funny. It ran a 14.0 and now it ran at 1375 that passed, so. Oh well. Hey, it works. At least the car is back to where it should be. I don't know what I ran, but he caught me on the top and he didn't push out, so I don't know what the car ran. I don't know what his light was. I felt like my light was pretty good, but I don't know. It could have been, I don't know, we'll see. It was probably my worst light of the day for that, so it's all good. What are you gonna do? I tried. I did what I could do. So we'll see what my light was. I probably broke out. That's probably what I probably did. I didn't feel like it was running faster than 80, but it could have. Thank you. Yeah, I know. I had a good light. The car just slowed down. It ran a 95. It's 97. I had an 07 light, so I had a better light than him. The car just didn't laid over. He just got me though. It was 004 at the stripe. Well, that was a drag race. That was a drag race. We'll put the car in the trailer, we'll chill. All right. Well, I lost. And it wasn't my fault this time. The car, I actually got him on the tree. I don't know if they'll let you see that. I had a 076 light right there and he had a 155. My car just laid over. It ran a 95 at 97 to an 80 and he ran a 19 on a 12, so what are you gonna do? I tried. I did my best. Car just lays over. I have something coming to fix all this, so you'll guys see that later.